Now listen carefully. I don't want to flog anybody today. This is quadratic equation. What did I say?
Quadratic equations.
Again?
Quadratic equations.
Good. Let's solve this. 3a plus 2 bracket 2a minus 7 bracket close is equals to 0. If 3a plus 2 is equals to 0, or 2a minus 7 is equals to 0, therefore 3a is equals to
minus 2.
Clap for yourselves. Now check this. 3a plus 2 is equals to...
Class greet.
Good afternoon, sir. You are welcome to our class. God bless you, sir.
God bless you too. Good afternoon, boys and girls. Please sit down.
Good day, sir.
Mr. Lazarus.
Sir.
I have a good news for you and for the whole class. But before I break the good news to you, I want our students to sing for yours. Okay, sir. Everybody, let's sing. If you are happy and you know, clap your hands. If you are happy and you know, clap your hands. If you are happy and you know, and you really want to show, if you are happy and you know, clap your hands. Once more. Once again. Mr. Lazarus, I'm in a happy mood today. Let me give you just take a look at this. I see the wonderful news I have there for you.
Sir, the WAEC result is out.
Oh yes. You've done it again.
This is great.
Not only did our students pass their science subjects very well, but the school came up tops as the best graduating school in the whole state. It's all right. Thank you very much. They came out tops for the 5th consecutive time since we've employed you as our science teacher. Is that not wonderful? Mr. Lazarus.
Sir.
Let me give you a handshake first. You've done well. You've done really well.
Thank you very much, sir.
And the school has another news for you. Do I read it? Yes. Mr. Lazarus, for your wonderful job, for your excellence, the school has decided to increase your salary.
Master of mathematics. One name. Where are you up to this morning?
As usual, I'm going to teach.
Hey! As one teaching.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Well, you see, one thing I don't like about your profession is that they always say that teacher's reward is in heaven. But in your own case, your case is different.
Okay.
You can't be the best friend to Erimego and still remain poor. It's not possible. And I'll tell you something right now. Your reward starts right this moment.
Hey, Erimego, Erimego. Hey, Erimego. Hey.
Just make do with this.
Hey. Hey.
Yes. As a matter of fact, I'm just coming back from the club where I spent like over $500,000 naira.
You spent over $500,000 in a club?
It's nothing now. You see, this is nothing compared to what I'm going to do for you in time to come.
Erimego.
Just make do with this.
My 1 year salary is not even up to 500,000 naira. Look at, oh, thank you very much. Hey.
Lazarus.
Hey, Erimego.
Lazarus.
Erimego.
Believe in my government, and you'll never be poor ever in your life.
I'm with you.
If I can help people out there who are not close to me, let alone you, my best friend.
Hey.
Lazarus. Lazarus. Tuomafa.
Erimego.
Lazarus Tuomafa.
Erimego.
Lazarus asinge Tuomafa.
Erimego 1 n'Igbo land.
Situkwemo.
Erimego 1 n'Igbo land.
Get off my shoulder.
Hey, European burger.
Get off my shoulder.
You are the hottest and freshest money in town.
Get off my shoulder, Lazarus.
Your perf is 1 in a million.
Get off my shoulder.
I say your money is unstoppable.
No, that's the truth.
Hey,
That's the truth.
that's the truth.
I said that's the truth.
That's the truth.
That's the truth.
That's the truth.
You see, Lazarus, you see the reason why, you need to be upgraded a little. You need ego, but
Okay.
look at your pronunciation.
Okay.
The truth.
The truth.
The truth.
The truth.
Lazarus,
Inasimemena ubiamana sindo akwangwata pate gono wa enye bezenya respect akwangwata pate gono wa kenye nyanya ugunyano.
Erimego.
Lazarus.
I greet you, boss.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Lazarus, are you sure you want to do this?
Yes. My mind is made. I really want to do this.
I mean, have you thought deeply over your decision?
Over and over again. my mind is made.
All right, very well then. I'd like to say congratulations. Welcome to the club.
Thank you very much.
So get the car ready. I'll be out for a party in a bit.
Thank you very much.
So we'll discuss later. And then don't forget, we'll just some. The interior of the car.
No, I'll fix it.
Try and fix it up.
I'll
Stinks.
Fix it. I'll fix it.
Stinks.
I'll fix it.
Inasibemena, Yamana Sindo, Okonya Bategono,
my beautiful. I'm in love.
Yeah.
Chinedu.
It's correct yourself.
All right, I'm sorry. You may go.
Okay.
You are spending unnecessarily too much on these girls. It's too much.
Are you okay? Are you the one who made the money for me? No, I'm asking you.
No. As a friend.
Hey, see, Lazarus, let me tell you, let this be the first and last time you will advise me over my money. How I made my money, you don't know. How I hustle abroad, you don't know. How I hustle Europe, you don't know. Please.
I'm sorry.
How much is there? How much is remaining?
100,000.
Tell me the money.
It's just that
Let this be the first and last.
Truth.
I forgive you for your sins.
Truth.
Let's go.
I can't go now. It's late.
Find your way.
So get sense, my brother.
Okay.
I said get sense. Some people no get house, but they want to go and buy big cars. Oh, some people no fit up, but they want to build a big house. Oh, it's life, my brother. You can't dream anything, no.
Lazarus.
But you have to work hard. You have to.
Lazarus, who did this to you? Eh? Who did this to my son?
Woman, we caught this criminal here roaming the street at a dangerous hour of the night. And there have been several cases of armed robbery attacks in our community recently. So we brought him here to confirm if this place is his house before handing him over to the police.
My son?
Yes, he's a criminal.
Criminal?
Yes.
Hey!
I'm not a criminal. Mama, tell them I'm not a criminal.
You don't need to be told. Who does not know Lazarus, a mathematics teacher in the entire local government? My God will never forgive you people for what you did to my son.
Madam, I'm sorry. Are you telling me that this is the famous mathematics teacher we've been hearing about?
No, I'm not the one. You see you two? I'll see you in court. Erimego must hear this.
So you people don't ask questions before you shower accusation on someone? My God will never forgive you people for what you did to my son.
I will sue the hell out of you people. Both of you,
sorry,
see you in court.
Sorry,
I will sue the hell out of you people. Rubbish.
No, sorry, we don't know. But why would a responsible teacher like him be roaming the street by that time of the night? Please, we are very sorry. We have heard so much about him. We are very sorry.
We are sorry, please forgive us. My sister will not.
See you all in court.
If you happen to hear to him, please forgive us, please.
God will never forgive you people.
Lazarus, the school wants you back. Please, if there's anything you want us to do for you, for us to have you back, bring it on. We are ready to do anything for you. The school cannot afford to miss you.
Yes, my love. Your teaching profession is more noble than being an errand boy.
Okay, mind your language. Be specific. Point of correction. Errand boy to Erimego. Mr. Principal, yes. I am the breadwinner of my family. Okay? My family needs money. And such money cannot come through teaching. I have a new boss, Erimego, aka Money Planet. That is my next hope for mega money. So I'm done teaching. Simple.
Hey, Lazarus, you can still make much money from teaching profession.
I can make mega money from teaching.
Yes. Oh yes.
Teacher Onogi. Mr. Principal, for once, you have succeeded in making yourself stupid. How do you expect me to make mega money through teaching in this country? Joke of the day. I'm done teaching and that's final. And don't you ever stop me to talk this trash.
Sweetheart, please. But my spirit does not like that guy. I don't like him for anything.
Your spirit does not accept that guy. You don't like him. We are talking about money. You are talking about your spirit. Let me tell you what you don't know. When I make mega money, even your spirit will be left with no option than to celebrate me. Your spirit, Omankanako. Your spirit, Kita, Omankanako. Listen, my boss, Erimego, aka Money Planet, sent me to clear a check for him in that bank down there. Don't delay my movement. I am done teaching and that's fine.
Lazarus! Lazarus!
Sir, please. I promise I will talk to him.
Please do.
I know he loves teaching job more than any other thing. Just give me a little time. I will talk to him.
Okay. Please do, eh? Because our school is at the verge of collapse if he does not come back.
I'll try my best.
Please do.
Let's go.
Let's go.
No problem.
How can you?
Leave me alone. What's all this? Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Look what you have turned yourself into. Look what you have turned yourself into. All in the name of following Erimego. What have you gained from him but poverty? And becoming a wretched houseboy and slave altogether.
Mama, patient dog, they say, eats the fattest
Will
bone.
you shut up? I did not give birth to a dog. I gave birth to a son. To a talented mathematics teacher. Not a drunkard, humanizer, and a poor rat that Erimego has turned you into.
Brother, are you not ashamed of yourself? Huh? How could you have descended from a breadwinner to a bread beggar, or in the name of following Erimego, who does not even have any plan of helping you? How could you have done that?
If I slap you, your color will normalize. Are you sick? Are you sick? Huh? Listen, I'd rather beg for bread today and build my own bakery tomorrow. I can't continue to waste my time in that classroom teaching and preparing future millionaires for other families while I waste my precious time. Listen, I believe in Erimego. I believe in my childhood friend, Erimego.
Shut up!
Show me how to make money. Leave me alone.
Will you come back here? Will you shut up? Stop. Hey, stop here. Stop. Come back here. She is speaking the truth. Erimego does not mean well for you. Yes. What kind of a friend is it that he will spend money in expensive hotel? Hiring a prostitute for you. Spending his millions on parties, women, and all that. Why he cannot even give you 5,000 naira. Ordinary 5,000 naira. Look at what you have turned yourself to. Look at what your life has turned to.
Let me worry about that. Let me worry about that. Leave me alone. I believe in my friend Erimego. He will show me how to make money. Trust. In fact, baby, listen. Don't worry. Don't mind them. I know what I'm doing, okay? Don't mind them. I'm sacrificing for a better tomorrow. I believe and trust in my friend Erimego. He will teach me how to make mega money, okay? So relax. As for you two, I swear, I will make mega money and surprise all of you.
Look at this mega fool. Mega fool. Mega idiot. Useless son. We are waiting for you. Rubbish. Mega big fool, that's what you are. Nonsense boy. Useless boy. I don't know where you came from.
Last, my man.
Money planet.
Last, my man. Last, how you doing?
I'm good, my chairman and my friend.
So, Last, shall we?
Oh, why not? But please, my chairman and my friend, there is something I would like us to talk about, please.
Bring it on, boy.
You see, it's been 6 months now since I dumped my teaching career because of the mega money he promised me. The truth is, I have exhausted my savings, and some people are laughing at me. Some are even calling me a fool. So please, I want to know, when will this miracle manifest?
Now listen to me and listen real good, Lars. I understand you quite clearly. But I want you to know something. You and I will agree I don't have any business right here in Nigeria. All my businesses are in Europe. And then I've made plans, preparations. As we speak, I'm processing your papers. You'll follow me down to Europe next month.
It's a lie. Next month.
Truth.
Me? Lazarus, you're taking me to Europe.
Straight up.
Hey, let me hug you. No, let me not stay here. I don't want to stay you. Thank you very much. God bless you. Me, Europe. Hey, I will shame my enemies. I will shock my mother. Gloria will hear from me. In fact, this whole village will hear from me. Lazarus in Europe. Hey! Thank you very much.
Now this is what you're going to do now. Acknowledge me.
Acknowledge you.
Lazarus dead off my shoulder.
Dead?
Death off my shoulder.
Death off your shoulder? I'm not kidding you.
Dead it off again.
Erimego!
You can do better than this.
Money planet! My chairman and my friend.
Acknowledge me.
My chairman and my friend. Money planet. Erimego!
That's the truth.
European burger.
That's the truth.
You have too much money.
That's the truth.
You are my best.
That's the truth.
Lazarus in Europe.
That's the truth.
Erimego! Hi! I'll give it. Europe, here I come. Europe, here I come. Europe, that one they used to do like this. Oh, mama.
Let's go.
Hey!
I'm my favorite, bro.
Hey!
Acknowledge me.
I will.
Acknowledge me.
I will.
Acknowledge me.
Lazarus in Europe.
Acknowledge me.
Lazarus in Europe.
That's the truth.
Hey, Erimego. Money planet. Money planet. European burger. European burger.
Waiting mega. When there's no kid is everything is mega. Your shoe is mega. Your car is mega. Odogu bami fene mezi. Ogini mega. Mega money. Mega swagger. One name chinti. Ida fools. If any name mega. My bank account is mega. My pocket mega. One nature lima halfa. One to my far. The good no wa. Onwale body. The good each ne do so. Kita na kwasi venza. One nature tazikwa. Wina wukwa. Nkusi chelu gabu konde kwa lige kiza. One no borotata. everything all the time. Back then it was your time, right now it's my time. You mathematician, it cannot solve for command. Akukwa nini maze no wa one naked do how far.
Hey Migo, good afternoon.
Hello, how are you, girl?
I'm fine, thank you.
Do you mind joining me for a party and have a taste of my money planet?
I would have loved to, but my mother sent me on an errand.
Interesting. All right, very well then. Give me a call.
I don't have a phone.
Don't have a phone? Big girl like you.
I don't have.
This is strange. Okay. Lazarus.
My chairman and my friend.
Give her your phone.
Huh?
I said give the phone to her or get you another.
Okay. Let me remove my SIM.
It's not necessary. I would like to contact her with your number. So give it to her. Fast.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Thank you very much.
All right, you take good care of yourself. I'll call you later.
All right.
Please, my chairman and my friend, there is no food in our house. So I would really appreciate it if you can convert all the drinks that you will buy for me today to Naira so that my people can cook and eat at home, please, instead of drinks.
Lazarus, I'll see to that. Now move.
Thank you very much.
When in the everything is mega. Your shoe is mega. Your car is mega. Odogu gami fene mezi. Ogini mega. Mega money. Mega swagger. One name chinti. Ida fuso. If any mega.
Go. Yeah. Go.
Come down! Shut up, come down! Come down!
All of you, come down!
Sakaka! Don't move! We are here for stop and search.
Officer, there is nothing incriminating in this car. Trust me.
Come down! Officer, search that car. If you move, I move you.
There is nothing in my...
Shut up!
Do it.
Search it proper.
Officer, you go and tramadol.
Hey, bring it here. Bring that idiot.
All of you are under arrest in position of India here and tramadol.
Look, if you move, I choose life out of you.
What?
You go and tramadol.
Indian hem and the tramadol.
Yes.
What are you doing? Are you having body pain? What are you doing with tramadol?
Lazarus, it's okay, it's okay. Officers, can I have your attention?
I'm listening.
Can I have your attention?
I said I'm listening.
Can I have your attention?
Are you a pastor? I'm listening.
Now listen attentively. How much is this offense?
What?
I said, how much is this offense?
Are you trying to bribe me?
Lazarus, bring out that money you have.
I don't have cash on me. We spent every...
Come on, shut up. What do you mean you spent everything? I saw you picking some change, you put it in your pocket. Come on, bring those change you have in your pocket. I'll take.
Is it me you have given this sickness? Come down, let's go to the station. We can't settle this matter here.
Officer, have this.
I said come down before I squeeze life out of you.
Frustrated beings.
Don't worry, come down.
Listen, Lazarus, follow them to the station. I'll come and bail you up tomorrow morning.
Officer, take him away. Move.
Respect my conglomerate.
Move.
I'm a born again Christian. Move. I'm a born again Christian.
Some people no get house, but they want to go and buy big cars. Oh. Some people no fit shop, but they want to build a big house. Oh. This life, my brother, you can't dream anything. Because I change the weather, I am the magician. Cause I bring the cheddar. When you're born, like say I be musician. my song, Elive was the mega. Chined, Ubuleke, guitar, I was a mega. Mega. Because I changed the weather.
Yeah, hello, how you doing?
Good day, sir.
Pretty damn, sir. Can I have some minutes of your time?
Please, I'm going to the river to fetch some water.
Huh? Well, the water can wait. While I have some word with you. Is that okay?
My mother needs this water urgently. I have to go now, sir, please.
Hold on. Lazarus.
Yes, boss.
Ah, Sir Lazarus. Good day, sir.
Gift, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. We have really missed your teachings. It's been a while, sir.
Well, Lazarus, I want you to go, take the bucket she's having, go fetch that water at the river while I have a word with her.
This girl is my student now. I can't fetch water for her.
Lazarus, listen to me. You know how this thing goes. Just take the bucket, fetch water. All right? Just a little word with her, okay? And then we're done.
Erimego, I love and respect you so much. But fetching water for my own student is somehow...
Lazarus, swallow your pride and get rich. It's all about getting rich. Chitakwamaki, Europe. All right, don't worry. It's my boy.
Don't worry.
When I brought how far, how well, when you're born no, because I changed the weather. I am the magician, cause I bring the cheddar. When you're born no, like say I be musician. I'm gonna go by my song, Elive was the mega. Chined, Ubuleke, guitar, I was a mega. Mega money, mega tycoon. When nature in my how far, I'm gonna come closer. To be my far, come boggy dollar. You see this life, my brother, it no be as you think. Na man they walk but na God they do in everything that I put hand, na mega. What the ego? They got this ball, European burger, but I never they messy big ball. One day, Jeff, you was my boy. I used to call you my boy. You call me son.
Lazarus.
I used to be your teacher.
Lazarus, so what I heard is true. Lazarus, you now run errands for your own student. Eh?
Hi.
Hey, Chimo.
Mama, have you joined the gossipers in this village? Eh? Have you joined them? I'm working for my money. Mama, I know what the problem is. These village people are so jobless that all they do is to sit down and gossip with my name. But guess what? I don't care. I am working for my money, so I don't care what anybody says about it. Simple.
How? So this Europe madness has reached to this level, my son. Eh?
Mama, I am trying to make money. Making money is not easy. It's not beans. So I'm trying my possible best to make sure I make money. So leave me alone.
By running errands for your own students just because Erimego wants to have her. It was a houseboy.
Mama, Ego Jol. Erimego is on money and I need money. I'm trying my best to liberate our family from poverty and you are here disturbing me. Leave me alone.
By running errands for your own students just because Erimego wants to have her. He thought he was a houseboy. He was a slave, Lazarus.
Mama, as you can see, I'm on duty. Time is money. Excuse me.
Lazarus, who has done this to my son? How? They made me far. How? How, Lazarus? So you have turned to a houseboy for Erimego? Lazarus, you're not a slave. Lazarus, you're a fool. You were who? You shot a walk again, my Lazarus.
Oh God, you can't see it's amazing. You know what? Lazarus, you ought to have finished washing this car by now. What's keeping you?
I'm almost rounding up. Chizoba, Erimego, that's my woman.
Hey, shove it off, Lazarus. I keep telling you this. Shove it off.
You don't understand.
No. There's nothing to understand. I think it's about time. What is this? You can always get any woman off your test. Why this particular one? What's your problem, Lazarus?
I have been with this woman for over 8 years.
Then so what? So what? Give me a man.
Chizoba, you're hiding your face. Chizoba.
You've been with her for 8 years. Give me a man. What happens?
Chizoba,
Listen, Lazarus. Listen. And listen real good. The choice is yours. To make money, to make mega money, or chase after women. Ask you one more time. Mega money, chase after women. Which one do you choose?
I choose money
for
women.
So what are you now saying? See, Lazarus, see, let me tell you something. You're my friend, okay? Any woman of your choice, it's a matter of going to the club. But I will just produce one for you. I can't go even. Why must it be this? Eh? I've told you I'm taking you to Europe. Or if I can name you go there. Just take it easy. Europe. Europe. It's very important. Europe. Lazarus. Europe. Europe.
That's the truth.
Europe.
That's the truth.
Europe.
That's the truth.
Europe.
That's the truth.
Europe, Lazi. Europe. Yeah, so just go prepare yourself for the club tonight.
Will you be waiting here?
Sure, of course I will.
Okay, I'll be right back.
Take your time. It's my baby. Hurry up. Dear Lazarus, are you sure you dated this girl for 8 years?
Yes, I did.
Because it took a lot of promises for her to allow me break her in. Sure you know what you're saying?
Yeah.
All right, very well then. Have this go get me a packet of condom. Hurry up before she comes back.
Easy, I beg. Why did I still like you people for this one? Easy, Joe.
What is it?
I beg. You're doing as if you don't want to pay me for this service. Easy, I beg.
Babe, I've not done for the past 6 months. Oji. Besides, they go soon break. Come back, you take more.
Then take it easy now. Besides, I don't like all this touching and kissing. Let us go straight to the main thing.
Straight to the point. Direct entry.
Yes, no.
Hi, black chocolate. Who is that now, eh? Joy killer. Who? Oga, come in, sir. Oga, hey. Oga.
That's it. Biko, I just want condom.
Condom?
So, for just one condom, I want one condom.
This is the last one.
Okay. Don't provoke me. Don't provoke me. Just give me any condom you have right now. Let me leave.
Boss, with all due respect, my Ogodogo Maya is at the verge of penetrating. I gave you.
Shh, don't tell me that. Give me the last one that you have. Let me go. After all these village boys, they do without condom. Are you different from them? What's wrong with you?
I gave you the other one. Don't provoke me. This is
injury tank, I know wherever. You don't want to go to Europe?
No, I can't forfeit my future because of a woman.
Oh, so you in my future. When you go condom. Seriously, you don't want to go to Europe. You don't want to go to Europe.
I can't joke with my future.
Meanwhile, hey, Jesus, hey. Jesus, you need the info. You need to see the. Hey. The girl she's well endowed. She's well endowed. You're missing something. But come on, Europe is better than the other.
Let me lock the door. So that's how my Oga behaves. Let's
Mr.
continue.
Man,
Yeah?
what do you want to do?
Nigaro.
Where is your condom?
I just gave him the last one. Let's do Nigaro.
Case closed. Nothing for you tonight.
Hotel. 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 Hotel.
What more is left of you? Tell me. What more is left of you? Erimego has robbed you of your self-esteem, your career, your reputation, and now your fiancé. Still, you're hoping on him. You!
Mama. 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 Erimego, aka Money Planet, has not done up to 1%. 1% of what poverty has done to this family. Whichever way he wants it, I concur. Mega money is the only option.
Chai, you called Mama 3 times. Now I have to call you 3 times. Brother, brother, brother. When will you wake up from this mega slumber? When? Ask him.
In case you don't know, the poverty in this family has developed resistance to Naira and Kobo. I need foreign currency like dollar, pounds, euro to break the wall of poverty in this family. Why can't you understand this?
Chai, look at it.
Erimego, aka Money Planet, is the only way to mega money. So leave me alone.
Hey, look at him. Look at this useless son. Look at this mega fool.
So what wrong?
Look at this Erimego slave.
That's my middle name.
That's what you are. Slave! A slave! You're a big fool! Come back, I'm waiting for you. That stupid money and mega money. You're a useless son.
As if I...
Stupid and useless son. I don't know where he came from. Rubbish. I'm waiting for you. Come back. Come back with that your mega stupid money.
Hey! Erimego International. Hey, my chairman. Where's his car? Money Planet. Mama. Mama, good morning, ma.
Lazarus.
Ma.
Kedu?
I'm fine, ma. This one you're at home by this time. Didn't you go to morning market?
No, my son, I did not. I'm still missing my son who traveled back this morning. Honestly.
Sorry. Say that again.
Were you not aware that Erimego traveled back to Europe this morning with Chizoba?
Mama, please, with all due respect, this joke is expensive. Be serious. Where is Erimego? Okay, where is his car?
Ha! He told me that he's going to park his car at his friend's place in the city. All these questions, Seth. Are you not the one? Are you not his friend? Were you not supposed to know that he traveled? Nah, what Akwamo?
Mama, are you serious?
Of course.
Like Erimego has gone back to Europe.
And Lazarus, I'm asking Kwame.
Erimego has gone back to Europe.
He has gone back. Yeah. Somebody help! Lazarus! 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 Wake up!
Uncle, I'm here because you are the only surviving brother of my late father. What is wrong with our lineage? Why are we not successful? Why are we wallowing in abject poverty? Because I'm worried. I don't understand what is wrong with our family. We have been feeding from hand to mouth. At my age, I can't boast of 1,000 naira. And it's not like I'm lazy. Nothing is working out. We only smell success, but we can't touch it. Is there something about our lineage that I don't know? What is happening? What is wrong? Oh, please, talk to me. Talk to me. I need to know.
Lars, your great-grandfather, who is my grandfather, was the richest man in this village in his time. Yes.
My great-grandfather was the richest man in this village.
Yes.
During his time.
Of course.
Why then are we the poorest now? Why are we the poorest? What happened?
Lazarus, that is how come our surname, Mirijoro, a name self-explanatory. It was said that your great-grandfather, who is my grandfather, got his wealth from the goddess of Otaka River. After his first son drowned in the river of Otaka, that is Otaka River, he now denounced all agreements, all the agreements he reached with the goddess of Otaka River. As a result, the goddess withdrew all the wealth he bestowed on him. That is the reason every member of this family, man or woman, small and big, is forbidden from going close to Otaka River. Yes, it has been so since then till now. And I believe, and could continue except something else is done, just because of the enmity between us and the goddess of Otaka River. Yes, except somebody.
Abogini mele zonyi chilego nyanyano Agini mele mwane chibwe mwane Abozikini mele nungwa juwe buwane Agini mele na chile diapala Akwego Akwamaki hego Akwego Akwamaki hego Ego yigo, ego ne mi fedin, ego ne mi fedin jo. Ego yigo, ego ne umadin, ego na zandu. Ego di no gwe, ego di no gwe. Adula konfe,
goddess of Utaka River. My name is Lazarus Milijoro, the great-grandson of Ikejako. I have come to continue from where my great-grandfather stopped. I am tired of poverty. You must bless me or kill me. The choice is yours. But as for me, I will not leave this place until something happens. Yes.
Money, 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 money. Money, money.
We have not set eyes on him for 2 days now.
What? 2 days? Are you serious? It was exactly 2 days he came to my place. And I saw bitterness and frustration all over him.
Uncle, that is my fear. I don't want my brother to commit suicide.
God
forbid. Fear. Hi.
Who pastor? That will never happen.
Nana, what do you suggest we do now? We have searched for him in every nook and cranny of this village. What do we do now? Oh. Hey.
I'm suggesting I will take this case first to the elders in council before going to the police. Do you hear me? So everybody should calm down. Please calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Okay? Please calm down. Yeah? Don't panic. Don't panic.
Chimo, Chimo. Oh,
money, money, see what you call show. Money. Money, 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 money. Money, money. See what you call money.
Your great-grandfather, Ikejaku, may have died many years ago. But his oath with me still lives on. As you have come to renew this covenant, I shall bless you, my son. Take that bag home and bring it back after 3 days, and your wealth shall know no bound.
Money, 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 money. Money, money. See what you call money. Money, 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 money. Money. Money, 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 money. Money, money. See what. Money, 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 money. Money, money. See what you call show. Money, money. Money, 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 money. Money. See what you call show. Money.
Jesus! 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 Jesus!
Money, 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 money. Money, money. See what you call show. Money, money. Money, 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 money. Money, money. See what you call show. Money.
I'm sure that was the money my brother was seeking for. That made him kill my mother. Blood money. He killed my mother because of money. Now he's nowhere to enjoy the money. What do I do now? Okay. I will make him save the money without enjoying a dime from it. Yes.
Auntie, just dance.
What?
Just
what
dance.
is it
Forget
now?
Just dance. Come and see, come and see.
Gloria, what is the good news? Tell me.
Come and see, auntie, dance. Come and see what the Lord has done.
Talk to me
Come
now.
and see what. Auntie,
what is it?
Auntie, auntie, Jidekene. God has done it. God has done it, auntie.
What is it now? I can't see anything here.
Auntie, I won a jackpot. My mother appeared to me in the dream and gave me 5 little numbers to play. Auntie, Auntie, I played and won 30 million naira. Auntie, dance for me! Dance!
Did you just say 30 million naira?
Auntie, I won 30 million naira just now. Come and see us. Come and see.
Hey! Eziogu!
Yes, uncle.
Hey! Where will I start? Wait. Gloria, my daughter.
Uncle.
Do you mean to tell me that you are now a potential millionaire overnight?
Yes, uncle. Uncle.
Hey!
There is nothing God cannot do.
Of course.
I'm equally surprised, uncle.
Hey! Have you seen?
What is it?
I have been hearing that people have been winning lotto.
winning millions of dollars, millions of naira from Lotto. But today, it is happening in my own family, my own house.
Amen.
Can you imagine?
Hey!
So good, though. I told you, any living being should not lose hope.
Yes, Uncle.
Eh? Thank you.
Uncle, please.
Abogini mere zanyi chilego nyanyano Agini mere wanne chibwe wanne Abozikini mere nungwa jiwe buwanne Agini mere na chile diapara Akwego Akwamaki hego Akwego Akwamaki hego Ego you go, ego ne mi fedin, ego ne mi fedin jo. Ego you go, ego ne umada, ego na sandu. Ego di no gwe, ego di no gwe. Adura konfe,
Well, madam, what you ask is almost impossible.
Impossible?
Almost, you said, Mr. DPO. Not absolutely impossible. The suspect in question is my brother. And the victim is also my mother. So, all I'm asking is for you to close the case so we can handle it traditionally.
Well, you know, this case is an already established case of murder. I mean, it will be difficult for me to do.
But the suspect is still in your custody.
Yes, DPO. This matter is not difficult for you to handle. After all, the case has not gone to the law courts. Okay? You can do something. You have the power to make your decision and it is final.
Well, my chief, like I said, it's a very difficult issue.
Mr. DPO, I'm offering you my hard-earned money. Should I say 3 million naira?
Money, 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 money. Money, money. See what you call show. Money, 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 money. Money, money. See what you call show. Money. I am stuck with the decision to make. Oh no, time is running out of me. Oh God,
Sister, please. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I only went to Otaka River. I asked for wealth. I never knew it will metamorphose to this. Please forgive me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Have you come to remind me of my beloved mother?
No. All right. Thanks for bringing me out of the police custody.
Welcome to the main prison. Black Bullet.
Yeah, boss.
Mighty Thunder.
Yes, boss.
Tiger.
Yes, boss.
Organize a welcome party for him. Say thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Huh? Huh? She said, well, party, not my funeral. No, now. I heard her. She said party, not burial. My brothers, please stop. Please, please. She said party. Sister, you said party now? Sister, hey! You shameless and evil goddess! I hate you! Oh yes, I hate you! Because you are wicked! I begged you for money! But you gave me pain and sorrow. I begged you for wealth! But you took my mother's life, my precious mom. I swear you will dry up in shame! You will dry up in shame, you evil goddess! I hate you! I hate you! I hate you! Shameless goddess! Shameless evil goddess! I wish I had... Come out! Come out! This is not fair enough! I will struggle with my bare hands! You took my mother's life away! Yes! You did not give me the money I asked for! How will you be this wicked? How will you be this wicked? I swear you will die of in shame! This evil goddess will die of in shame! If I go there, Look at how God suddenly blessed my sister with so much money. If I had no such blessing was on the way, I wouldn't have even quit my teaching job or gone to Utaka Goddess. Look at her mansion. Beautiful one at that. My own younger sister. Now I know why our elders say that when a man runs faster than his G, he will run a fruitless race.
Ogini melena jiledia bara, akwego, Akwamaki hego. Akwego. Akwamaki hego. Ego yibo. Ego ne mi fedin ma. Ego ne mi fedin jo. Ego yibo. Ego ne umade. Ego na zandu. Ego di no gwe. Ego di no gwe. Adira pamfe.
Good day, ma.
Have I not said the particular time you should have your breakfast in this house?
It's 1:30 p.m. already, ma.
And the home chores?
I'm done.
Take that money. Leave that food you are eating. Run to the petrol station and buy 50 liters of diesel before you continue with your rubbish food.
The filling station in this village is shut down, so I need transport to go outside this village and get diesel. This money won't be enough.
And what happened to those your legs?
Sorry, I just remembered.
Ego di no gwe. Ego di no gwe. Adira pamfe.
Enjoy yourselves. Life is too short to be worried.
Of course.
Uncle, Ife adigo kwano mma.
We are eating and drinking. Life is good. My wife, eat one, drink one.
Auntie.
Auntie,
don't tell me you're already tired.
Hey, tired kwa. When we have just started.
Ngangoma ni ife.
Ahokwala no beans aho ofodo okwukwo. We'll finish everything.
To akodi.
You got to go?
Gloria, Gloria.
Auntie Omowa.
Glow.
Abu mobile and cinema beef.
Yeah, too much.
Bia? Anom pama.
Uncle, you're welcome, sir. Auntie, you're welcome.
May you swallow that your tongue there. If you ever call me your uncle again, you murderer.
Did I hear him call me auntie?
Just imagine.
Eh? May thunder fire that your mouth, you poor auntie. I'm not here. Gloria, I don't even know why you brought this boy out. Eh? You would have allowed him die and rot inside jail.
Auntie, I know what I'm doing.
You useless, impatient animal. Look at you. Get away from my face.
Auntie, Akwamaka ego. Piano fear.
Come back here. She's calling you.
Go and drop that diesel. Run back inside and iron those clothes I kept on the sofa.
Hey, Gloria. Hey, yeah, Maka.
You missed it again. Yes! As a matter of fact, you missed it again. Look, at the glorious mansion, there were a lot to eat and drink. Eat as you like, drink as you like. You missed it again. Eh? How I wish Machi were still alive to see how marvelously God has blessed her daughter.
Then Nana. Then Nana.
Hmm?
Have you been able to ask Gloria the question I said you should ask her?
What question? Forget about the question. There is no sense in it. No sense at all in it. Forget it.
Then Nana, how could you say such? Eh? Your brother's daughter amassed such a wealth that is traceable to nowhere. And here you are saying questions should not be asked. Eh, Mama?
You amuse me most times. Eh? Can you question God for blessing her? No. Can you? Automatically you can't. Eh? Look, if you still have questions to ask, you better gently walk to her and ask her the question. After all, she's your late sister's daughter.
My spirit still does not accept that girl's sudden wealth. Something is wrong somewhere. Yes, I know.
Something is wrong somewhere. But let me tell you, she is rich means she is rich. Nobody can do anything about it. Do you hear me? Nothing. Because Mother Brochuku. Are you God?
Then Nana, you're all supporting your job. Let it not be that you're supporting evil.
Eh. Na support evil. I will support evil. Let me tell you, if this is why you have come here, if this is what you have come to tell me, sorry, I don't sit with hypocrites.
Inasimemena ubemana sindo akwanye batego no wa onwebo biangole inasimemena ubemana sindo akwata batego no wa enyebe no respect akwanye nwetego no wa enyezi enyo kenyano
Ooh la la. Baby.
Welcome to my mansion.
Come on. I love what I'm saying. This is beautiful.
Thank you. Hey. Come here. Take this and buy me one packet of unna then. Take it.
Sorry, what do you mean by Ogunnaben?
Shut the fuck up! Go and buy us condom. Condom is for strafing, okay?
Don't forget I'm your elder brother.
Come. You have 1 minute to do that.
Hurry up! No time.
Let's go, baby.
This is nice, you know.
Welcome to my house.
Yeah, man. I love what I'm saying. This is beautiful. Well.
Me, I'm not going anywhere. Me, I'm not going anywhere. Hey. Look at the mess I have landed myself in. All because of Erimego. My own younger sister now treats me like a houseboy. She even sends me to buy her condom. My own younger sister. What an insult. For how long will this continue? So if I buy this condom now, another man will use it to sleep with my own younger sister, and I will do nothing. Poverty is a disease. Poverty is a disease. Poverty. The thunder that will fire you will come from
What is your value? In between the currencies, what is your value? As lost against sense, oh. As lost a Bible, a potential governor, a potential professor, from potential president to spiritual prisoner. All things that glitters is not gold. All things that glitters is not gold, my friend, my brother.
Hi, good night. Sorry, good morning, sir.
We are to.
I want to dispose this dirty that I packed from my.
You have 1 second.
Okay, sir. I like your canvas, sir.
All things that glitters is not gold. All things that glitters is not gold.
Don't worry about him. The police will take care of him. He's on the wanted list.
I don't think he's in this village, boss.
Wherever he may be, Agarasha must come back. The police have started searching for him. Go and get yourself ready.
All right, boss.
We will hit the road soon.
money, 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 money. Money, use of money. Oh yeah. I follow belief and keep on bello kayaliba. I follow belief and keep on kata boba fifia. Intellectual calamity. It's not the palaba. It's spiritual. Oh no. It is dollar. It is naira. In between the currencies, where is your values? I say, what is your value? I say, what is your value? In between the budget, oh, what is your value?
This clothes now, this particular
You see, you will die here. You will die here. You will die here. You will die here today, I swear.
You go die here.
You will die here today. I am going to
You are going to die here. MSN or up now.
You will die here today. I will kill you here today.
Everywhere. Everywhere.
Wait, I beg. Mona, wait.
Where they come?
I know him, please. I know him.
Now, other guys will tell you
Salazarus, I beg. I know him. He was my mathematics teacher from the village.
What you concern me? Mathematics. I'm asking mathematics. This man is a criminal.
Leave that in. Let me go.
You not die here. They tell me say mathematics.
Point this man here. Kabuka this man here now.
What happened? I beg.
This criminal and his gang came to our compound and robbed everybody.
I am not.
This is one of my coach.
Salazarus, not true?
No, now I'm not a criminal. I came into this town a few days back. I don't have anywhere to sleep or go to. So I started working in an uncompleted building as a laborer. I saw this clothes where we were working and I asked my co-workers. None of them claimed it. So I wore it. I never knew it was stolen. I'm not a criminal.
My brothers, Mona, calm down, please. Mona, don't hear him now. I know him very well. He's not a criminal. Please, Mona, leave him. I beg.
This man is a criminal. Look at him face.
Money is good. You say money is not good.
I can see you're enjoying yourself.
Yes, of course. Yeah. Thank you once again for your hospitality.
Yes. Thank you very much.
Papa ni ife ne gadigo. Ife adigo mo.
Eme ngwangwa, eme yalo dachi. We brought an invitation for you from the Royal Palace. You see, the annual chieftaincy title coronation will be coming up in 2 months' time. And as a young, successful woman in our clan, we deem it right that you should be among those to be given the title. And that is why we are here.
That is true. Yes, it will be our pleasure for you to accept this rare invitation.
Yes.
My elders, I've heard you. 1 minute.
Okay.
I don't like talking too much.
This is what is called thank you for coming. Daddy King, I concur. And my choice title is Chief Ezenwai Ego. Nkizizi.
Chief Ezenwai Ego. Chief Ezenwai money. Ino nenu ego.
You're welcome, my father.
Hey, Ego Amaka.
Enjoy yourself.
Hey, Ego Amaka. Hey. All right. Hey. Ego.
Lazarus, wait happen. Why you can't keep me? I define you since morning. I don't see you. I even ask neighbor. They say you never come back. Where you go? Wait happen.
My brother, see me see wahala. A passenger forget his bag for my keke. This bag since afternoon. I just did that bus stop the wait make the guy come back. This guy don't come. Even though we say my belly they worry me, I for still there. I want use toilet to rush back because I don't know what's in there the bag. I don't know why he forget. I can't just tell.
Finish. Now this way talk now, so it be.
Yes sir.
So waiting come dey inside the bag.
How I won't take no. Don't be my bag now. I don't be open passenger bag. You want making us say I collecting perfume, I collecting gold. Now I leave the bag like that too.
Now I carry and come, make carry enter my house. So you don't know what's in this bag. I won't carry and enter my house. Lazarus, for how long something could do you for this city? Make your eye open. You know the village again.
Now passenger bag now. Why go open bag when not be my own?
You check am now. You know what's in there inside.
Hello, my belly they worry me. Man, use toilet first. I beg. The bag fit. We know what you will do the bag.
Fast. Oh, just do conquer this thing. Come on here. Hey. You know say no dey again. Carry person bag come. Which human being be this? You go just carry person. You no go check wetin dey inside. You no know whether na. No, just carry am. Okay. If I leave you now, I go just carry am enter. Okay, check. Look this bag, sir. Huh? Lazarus.
Oh. Hello, guy. Hello, Chuku. Hello. Hello, Chuku. Hello. Hello.
So, my son, when he saw that you come back with Chizoba, he became so frustrated. He became so desperate, and then used his mother for ritual.
Hi. Laz Emeteria. Laz did not do well. Mama, remember I told this boy to wait for me. When I come back, I'm going to help him. Why so much in a hurry? Eh? Why so much in Mbano? Hey, I didn't mean Mbano. Hey, hey.
My son, don't even mind anyone who will blame you. Eh? For his evil act. After all, the classroom was paying him well. Only his long throat landed him into trouble.
Mama, yes. Mama, you just nailed it. Don't mind that foolish pauper, that wretched idiot. Someone that lives in this village want to pluck Arab money from tree. Imagine that fool. No look on that.
So where is he now?
My son, his sister later made money and brought him out of the prison. But the suffering did not end there. He ran out of the village. Can you imagine?
Ijoa. Ijoa. Well, Mama, that's not the main reason why I'm here. Yes. I got a call from the Igwe and this council inviting me to be one of those to be conferred chieftaincy title.
Really? Yes. So, my son, are you interested?
Wham! Madam! Wonderful!
Mama, henceforth, I will be called Ezego One of Wanine.
Can I hear you again? Can I just hear you?
And my wife here will be called Eze Wine Money.
Hey!
Tuoya!
Wanine.
Tuoya! What?
I'm disappointed. I'm disappointed at you that you couldn't address me. Just let me see about my father. Mama,
Ezego One!
Eh? Ezego
Anamani.
Sit home also.
Ezego One!
Mama, Nam.
Brother.
Ezego One!
Ezego One! Ezego One! Nekuya. Ezego One!
Waiting mega. When there's no kid is everything is mega. Your shoe is mega. Your car is mega. Odogu gummy fene messy. Or guinea mega. Mega money. Mega swagger. One name chinty. Ida fools. If any name mega. My bank account is mega. My pocket mega. One nature lima halfa. One two ma far. The golden no Body, nego ditch ne diso o kita na kwasi fensa. One day cheta kwa, we na wukwa. Nkusi chelu gaku konde kwa lige kiza. One no borotata, everything all the time. Back then it was your time, right now it's my time. You mathematician, it cannot solve a command. Akwụkwọ niile mazi n'ụwa nwanne kedu how far.
If you wanna make one to worry, on your chino when you see it. If you wanna make one to worry, China don't want them when you put up.
I just came to confirm what I heard. Welcome back home. I hope you are ready for me.
The lion is always ready to devour at any time.
This is no time for your drama. I will see you later.
I'm gallant as ever. Try me.
If you work harder, you achieve better. Makano mwaro nyachuku bara katapon, odiginaka, naka. When you work harder, dream bigger. No matter at all, you can aspire anything you want for this life. But you got to use your brain, use your sense, my brother. Use them well, oh well, oh. Use them well, oh well, oh. Ooh, yeah.
Yes, sir. No problem, sir. I will deal with it. You don't have any problem. Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. Hey! Listen to me, all of you. Listen and listen very attentively, okay? The chairman is coming here right now. And I want you all to work very hard to impress him. If not, he will ask me to sack all of you. Now, do I make myself clear? No dull moment. I want you to work like a machine, okay? Work as if you never get tired. Do you get me? Work as if this job has become part of you, that you are addicted to this job. Okay? Now I want you all to start working. Okay. And be fast about it. Be very fast about it. I don't know what you people are doing. Be very fast about it. I said be fast. Look at this man. Look at what he's doing. Be fast about it. Okay. Dig like a man. Be fast. Okay. Good day, sir. You're welcome.
Nice one, nice one. You can see people are doing well, engineer. People are doing well.
As you can see, my boss are working very hard to meet up with the deadline he gave me, sir.
Engineer, is this our chairman?
Yes.
Hello, guy. Hello, guy. Ah! Hello, guy, so you are the chairman. Why are you acting up for me now? Look, you just disappeared. You abandoned me in that house. I couldn't even maintain the rent. The landlord threw me out. The keke owner collected it from me. You just vanished into thin air.
Some days are like that. How are you doing, Aslos?
As you can see, struggle continues.
Sir, you know him?
Somehow.
He's still a gay girl somehow. I taught him in secondary school. He was my student. I was his teacher.
Poor man's problem, being mouth. Go back to work. I'll see you later. Engineer.
Sir?
Let me see you.
Nah, my friend, go back to work. Go and work.
Guy, do you know him?
I know him now. I was his teacher. I swear.
That's the chairman. Owner of this house.
He's the owner of this house.
Telling you, he gets rid of this building in this village. That's the owner of the house.
Hey.
Now go and work now. Yes, I'm working now. Hope your money, no time. Open the house. Maintain with that guy.
Okay. God, why have you refused to bless me? God, why? Have I not suffered enough? You blessed Erimego. That was not brilliant when we were in school. You blessed my younger sister without handwork. You blessed Elochukwu, who was my own student, a keke rider. What have I done wrong? Why am I wallowing in abject poverty? Why? Mama, I know you are the one punishing me. But the truth is, I did not kill you. I did not kill you, Mama. I never knew Utaka Goddess was up to something. God, why? God, why?
Erimego, we want to thank you once again for honoring this royal invitation. You have made us proud. Very good. But there is a little coincidence. The chieftaincy title which you have chosen for your wife has already been taken by Gloria Mirijoro. So you have to take another one.
Ndiche, that's not possible.
Eh?
Yes. I mean, she should be the one to make another choice. My wife here already bears that title in Europe. Yes. Like I said earlier, it's totally impossible.
Yes, Ndiche. My husband is right. We cannot travel all the way from Europe down to this village to be robbed by a male local champion. It's not possible. No, it's not.
It has not gotten to that yet. Since you already bear the title in Europe, we shall talk to Gloria. She will have to make another choice.
Of course. That is the only option.
When did you okay, Konobia? Now you've come. Like I always. You know how I do my things.
Erimego.
Say it again.
Erimego.
Sit one here.
Erimego.
Because all the natural ego.
Erimego.
Sit to quentum.
Erimego. Okay, one over.
Mana ichie bam. Ichie, I am not happy with you guys. I am not happy with you guys. Piko, I only know mugu. Tuwe mafa, tonu mez, tupun. Akpatage mego, iji mego. Ife mugu to. Ichie, sit to me also.
Erimego.
I can't hear you.
Erimego.
For the last time.
Erimego.
Okay, one. Ichie, this is for you.
Okay, one.
Hey. Tukwem.
Erimego.
This is for you, Ichie.
Hey.
Erimego. Ichie, this is for you.
Erimego.
Now it's coming, oh. This is just for now.
Ego amaka.
Erimego. That is it.
Ego amaka. All this for us? Erimego, you shall live long. Erimego nowhere. Okay, one. Erimego. In fact, the title has finally become your wife's own automatically. Ego amaka. All this for me. Hey.
Waiting mega. When there's no kid is everything is mega. Your shoe is mega. Your car is mega. Odogu gummy fene messy or guinea mega. Mega money. Mega swagger. One name chinty ida fools if any name mega. My bank account is mega.
And what is a threat of being in my mansion? You have 1 second to say your mission here.
Well, I don't understand your fear, my dear. A rat must shoulder in front of an elephant. But you know what? I, as the one you go, is always known for a peacemaker.
Thanks for the compliment. But I would rather advise you wait for the official coronation before you address me by my chieftaincy title.
Well, that is exactly the illusion I've come to clear here. I am the one and only recognized Ezewanyego. From this village down to Europe and the entire United Arab Emirates.
Mighty Thunder.
Yes, boss.
Show her to the gate. Don't ever allow some deported Europe prostitute into my mansion again.
Like say I be musician. I'm gonna go by my song.
Lazarus. I must confess. In fact, since you started working here,
It has been a blessing upon blessing. See, I have never had this level of patronage before.
Thank you very much, man. It's Lord's doing.
Yes. Lazarus.
Ma?
How many whites are there?
Okay. We have 28 tops.
Don't worry. Let me count it.
All right.
No, don't worry yourself. Continue your job here.
All right.
Good boy.
From potential president.
It is time to renew your sacrifice to the goddess of Utaka River.
Did you just say renew my sacrifice? What sacrifice?
Waste no time in renewing your sacrifice. If you want your blessings to continue, or you lose your soul.
What blessing are you talking about? You know what? The thunder that will fire you will come from Libya. Are you mad? What blessing are you talking about? You killed my mother. Still, I have been fluctuating from frying pan to fire. I can't even boast of 1,000 naira and you are here talking about sacrifice. I can be very dangerous when I'm angry. Don't just provoke me. You are nothing but a useless goddess. Don't just get me angry. Nonsense. Did you give me 1 naira? Did you give me any money? What will I sacrifice? Don't get me angry. Don't just get me angry. And Mafia.
To be forewarned is to be forearmed. Help yourself now before it's too late.
Yeah, I remember the last time I called you from Europe, you told me you're working as a sales guy in one of the companies that sells building materials.
Yes, brother.
Am I correct?
Yes.
And then I believe you now understand the system of the business right now.
Very well, oh. Very well, brother.
Just for your information, I'm importing 3 containers of step tile roof and 3D floor tile.
Hey! 3! 3! That's 6! Hey! Any bag of 1! Any bag of 1! Any bag of 1!
Address me properly.
Any bag of 1!
Sit to me.
Any bag of 1!
So you know about them?
Ah, brother. They are very, very expensive. Oh. Very, very.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Oh, I learned that is only one major importer. There is only one major importer in the States.
Yes, brother. You're right. That's true.
The container will be landing in less than 1 month from now.
Any
Less than 1 month.
Ah, I trust you, brother.
And then I will stage the most glamorous chieftaincy title ever in this land. Yes, after selling those items.
Hey, brother!
Now listen, just so you know, you will be fully in charge.
Hey, brother! Hey, my brother! Anyone go what? Anyone go, brother, I feel expensive. Hey, brother, anyone go what?
Sit to me.
Anyone go what?
Sit to come on, sir.
Anyone go what?
I'm back, man.
Thank you very much. Lazarus, go inside and pack those clothes. The owner is traveling first thing tomorrow morning. Oh?
Okay, man.
Lazarus! Bioba! Come here!
this is the number I asked you to play.
Ma?
It's a ma.
Yes, now you said I should play single 9, 57 and 28, sure banker.
You must be out of your mind. I told you to play single 9, 54 and 20. What's wrong with you?
I'm so sorry, ma. Your handwriting
Shut up your mouth!
Was confusing.
You go and bring this rubbish for me. You just wasted this 3,000 naira for me.
No, ma. Your 4 looks like 7 and the 0 looks like 8. Your handwriting confused me. I'm sorry.
You must be blind. You will see. You must be blind. See, let me tell you, I will make sure I deduct 3,000 naira for your salary this month. I'm telling you honestly. What's wrong with you? My 8, they're like 0. They're like you are blind, honestly. Get out from here. Go get over. I said get out. My 0 is confusing. My 8 is like 0. My this stupid human being. Just look at this boy has spoiled this game for me. He has spoiled this game for me now. What will I do again?
The king in his wisdom asked us to cast a lot for both of you. Here are 2 cards. One bears yes, while the other one bears no. Whoever chooses yes automatically wins the title race, while the other person make another choice. Do you both agree to this?
Ndiche, I agree.
I agree.
Very well then. I will shuffle the cards. Then allow both of you to pick. Then you can pick. The deal is done. Congratulations, is one year.
Thank you, my elders.
Now, elders, I am sorry to disappoint you all. Yes. I cannot travel all the way from Europe down to this village only for me to allow this white rat possess my possession. It's either you give the title to my wife or there will be no coronation in this village. And now,
my elders, there's no cause for me. I'm equal to the task.
Yeah?
To Kenan Mafa.
There's a one again.
I'm over and seen a maybe.
Oh, Yana.
Oh, Yana, Kumari, honey.
Oh, Yana.
But to them, yeah.
There's a one again. There's a one again. There's a one again. There's a one again. There's a one again.
My dear sister, see miracle. I almost tore him apart this morning the time he played the game.
And now this same game has won you 6 million naira.
That is my sister. I even threatened to deduct 3,000 naira from his salary.
I thank God for you.
Maybe small, thank God though. I even tired of this dry cleaning business.
Well done, thank you.
Hey, here he comes. I don't want him to know about it. Why?
Madam, shh. Good day, ma.
Welcome. I have packed all your washings. Just go inside and iron them.
Okay, ma. Thank you, ma.
You mean you won't give him anything from that system?
Shut up. I owe him nothing but his salary. After all, I played the game with my money. What do you mean? My sister, what do you care to take? In fact, what do you care to drink? This calls for celebration.
What is the meaning of this? No, tell me, what is the meaning of this? Are you deaf or drunk? Leave me alone. I have no business with you. Leave me alone. What's all this now?
You must renew your covenant with the goddess of Utaka River if you want to sustain your blessings.
Each time you mention blessing, you get me angry. I don't have any covenant with you, and I don't know the blessing you're talking about. Where is the blessing? Do you know what I've been through? Look at my life. Houseboy, laborer. I've been feeding from hand to mouth, and you're here telling me about renewing my sacrifice and blessing. Which blessing are you talking about? Which blessing? Where is the blessing? Leave me alone. Leave me alone. I have no business with you. I'm not in any covenant with you, and I have no blessing from you. Leave me alone. Niha Bala.
The goddess of Utaka River never promises without fulfilling. Your money was delivered to you, but your sister hijacked it.
Is this your new format? Is this your new format? No, tell me, is this your new format? It's your room without laptop. I swear it won't work. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
The sacrifice must be someone related to you by blood. You have 21 days to make the sacrifice, or you die.
It is you that will die. Abia, how come I get there? Could this be true? How come my sister suddenly became rich overnight? I'm beginning to see sense in what the goddess said. Where did Gloria get all the money she has been spending? You can't just become a multi-millionaire overnight. That's not possible. Does that mean I have been saving my own money all this while? Mbano. Manona midin chaba amanya. Though possible, it won't work. Something must be done. I must find out. I must find out.
Ego di no gwe adura konfe
Mr. Engineer. I want you to bring down this house, you know?
Okay.
And give me something to compliment my Ezewanyego.
We can do it.
You know? You understand what I'm talking about? I've heard a lot about you and I know you can do better than this. Yeah. So, when are you going to get my drawing for me?
In 2 weeks' time, the drawing will be ready.
2 weeks?
Yes.
Okay, no problem. I'll see you. Till then. Okay. See you. Agarasha. So you finally found your way back home.
I am here to possess my possession. I hope you know what I'm talking about.
I can't descend so low to understand what a poor man like you is talking about.
Stop pretending. You hijacked the money meant for me. What were you thinking? I won't find out.
Mr. Dreamer, I can see poverty has eaten up your brain. You better wake up before I place you where you truly belong.
Ego di nogwe, ego di nogwe, adira wanfe.
How did this guy find out the truth? Probably he visited a witch doctor who revealed to him that it is his wealth I have been possessing.
See what you call show. Money.
I must do something fast before he puts me to shame in this village.
See what you call show.
I must send him to prison as soon as possible. Yes. I must do that very fast.
Money. Money, 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 money. Money, money. See what you call show. Money. Money. Money, 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 money. Money, money. See what you call show. Money.
Uncle, good day.
Will you get up from that bench?
I'm sorry.
Yes? What brought a murderer to my house? What do you want in my house?
Uncle, please, there is fire on the mountain. I need you to help me talk to my younger sister. Tell her to give me what rightfully belongs to me. Please.
Did I hear you well? What rightfully belongs to you? Please, can you be more explicit? What is that, if I may ask?
Good. It was revealed to me that all the money she has been enjoying rightfully belongs to me. Yes, she hijacked it when I was in police cell.
Hey!
What's funny?
Hey! Good digger! Hey! Congratulations!
Between the devil and the blue sea, I am stuck with a decision to make. Oh no, time is running out of me. Oh God, the loss of what I can't come again. Onye na fuloli ya kasi no kakugo. Ala di bemma tu obaru na bemmo.
Ijeko. Ijeko. Ife go ne menuwa. Ijeko.
Hey. Lazarus, my man. How are you? Huh? Well, I have not set my eyes on you ever since I came back from Europe. Where have you been all this while? Oh, okay, I understand. See, talk to me. Let's talk like man to man. Yes, I promise to help you. Manimago, ife junwoke nisi. Eh? I'm still ready to help you. I'll make up for that. It's all that you're a man. You should start realizing that. You are not a woman. Don't put things in your mind. Eh? You're not a woman. Like I said, I'll make up for all those mistakes. All right? Well, as we speak, I'm taking my wife out. Okay, you know what? See me when you're ready to be blessed. I help people for a living. As we speak, I'm taking my wife out, and then we could just go make up for a drink. That's if you choose.
Please help me.
Hey, boy, you go. How are you? You good?
Lazarus, how are you? Honey, I've been taking too much time. Why don't he come and see you at home if truly he needs your help?
It's okay, darling. It's okay. This is a man-to-man talk. You're not supposed to be involved in this. Laziwanne. Well, get in touch with me if you're ready to be blessed.
Yes.
Well, I make people shine for a living. Okay? In my figure, you know what to do. Honey, take it easy,
Come
okay?
to the house.
All right, then. Yeah.
If I go ne menuwa. Ijeko.
Ego yibo. Ego ne mi fedin. Ego ne mi fedin jo. Ego yibo. Ego ne umade. Ego na zandu.
Lazarus, I want you to repeat that story you told me before everybody here.
Thank you very much. I can repeat what I said anywhere, again and again and again. I played Lotto and won. When they brought my money, unfortunately, I was in police cell. This criminal that called herself my sister hijacked my money and made me serve my own money. Even the devil will not forgive you. I want my money back. Simple.
It's okay, calm down. Gloria, you've heard what your brother said. What have you to say?
I have nothing to say. Other than ask him whether he wants to continue enjoying this fresh air or go back to prison.
Yes. We are listening. We are listening for your answer. Answer her now. Or have you become deaf and dumb? The choice is all yours, gold digger.
Then, Nana.
Eh?
Then, Nana, you're not just being fair in this whole thing.
How fair do you want him to be when he knows what this murderer is up to?
I mean,
Then, Nana, I know what your problem is. Yes, I know. You are suffering from the chicken and wine she has been feeding you with. You can't even see anymore or think right. But it's all good. Like I said before, I want my money back. Else, I will tell you people the full meaning of my name, Lazarus.
Lazarus, you can't do anything. You can't do more than a dead rat. See, if you dare me, I will send you back to prison. Don't dare me.
I have always known that there is something fishy about Gloria's wealth. I've always said it.
Have you come to take sides with him?
Lazarus, look, let me tell you. You are still a young man. A young man, solid. Vibrating like other young men like you. Go out there and hustle. Hustle like other young men like you, man. You're a strong man. Work hard and make your own money, earn your own wealth, and stop eyeing other people's wealth. Especially your little sister. Your sister. Little sister, for that matter. You cannot work to make your own. Do you want to... Oh, you want to turn a thief again? Come and murder her like you murdered your mother. Murderer. Gold digger. Nonsense.
Hey, Nana, this whole thing is okay.
No.
I don't just understand.
Listen.
Why are you taking sides here?
You don't know the evil and greed in him. That is what I believe.
What evil are we talking about here?
You have been blinded by what is happening. You can't see.
Nobody blinded me in any way. Not
they have blinded you.
I cannot take it.
Look at him, a murderer.
What is
a murderer?
No, he's not.
Are you aware that he murdered his mother?
No, he did not.
He murdered his mother. For goodness sake.
The sacrifice must be someone related to you by blood. You have 21 days to make the sacrifice. You die. Or you die.
Who gave you access into my mansion?
That's not necessary.
You broke into my mansion?
Listen, I come in peace. Between you and I, we know the truth. The money you are spending is from Otaka Goddess.
See, I don't have time for your nonsense. Just get out.
Like I said before, I come in peace. I am not here to fight, and I'm not even in the mood to shout. But listen carefully. Otaka Goddess demanded for another human sacrifice. And this human sacrifice must be related to me. Now, this is it. I don't want to lose you as my one and only sister. So let's reason together and see who we can sacrifice for this wealth to multiply so that you and I will enjoy and be alive. Like I said before, I come in peace and I don't want to lose you.
Like I said before, I don't have time for your nonsense. Live in peace before I call my bouncers to throw you out.
Onwe egbu nwa nkịta adekwe elu isi nsị. Onwe egbu nwa nkịta adekwe elu isi nsị.
Hey, I must send this boy back to prison tomorrow morning.
Inasibemena biamana sindo okonya bategono wa onwebo biangoli. Inasibemena biamana sindo okwangota bategono wa enyebezenya respect. Okwangota bategono wa kenyenya ugunyano. Ijego obulo belifeno ijego. Madili so chano no mane puwa solo natano. Ay obulo belifeno. Ego dinogwe. Ego dinogwe wanemwe. Obulo belifeno. Ifenya negotielika. Ego mbute. Akwankene nguzino. Ego mbute. Akwankene nguzino. Ego mbute. Ego mbute. Ufodu butele manwe. Ego mbute. Ebu ufodu butele njanwe. Ego mbute. Akwankene nguzino. Ego mbute. Ego dinogwe. Ego dinogwe. Adira konfe.
Ijego. Hey. If I go to Menu, why? Ijego.
It is inevitable in every human. Why this sudden death? The only successful woman in our life. This is so good. What are they more? Money. That is money. Money. My one only sister, my one only sister. This is a very good money. But also to the entire village. Yes, of course. Ego yibo. Encore na panye.
Money.
My turkey, my chicken, juice. See what you cause. Want a name of woman?
If I gonna Abogini mere zonyi chilego nyanyano Agini mere wanne chibwe wanne Abozikini mere nungwa juwe buwane Agini mere na chile diopara Akwego Akwamaki hego Akwego Akwamaki hego Ego yibo, ego ne mi fedin ma, ego ne mi fedin jo. Ego yibo, ego ne umade, ego na zandu. Ego di no gwe, ego di no gwe. Adira wanfe, Inasimemena ubyamana sindo akwamata pate kono wa nyebezenya respect akwamata pate kono wa Kenya.
Tiger.
Yes, boss.
Come. Nico, stop. Don't come. Shift. Good. Mighty Thunder.
Yes, boss.
Let your greasy ass here. What's the last one's name? What's his name?
Black Bullet.
Black Bullet.
Yes, boss.
Zuzuli be boss. No name for boss. Listen real good. Don't blame me because this transition is pushing me around. Power can be intoxicating. That's why real men can die for power, fame, and the money. So bear with me because I'm trying so hard to control my new status. You, go and wash that car. Move.
Yes, boss.
You, go and buy me brown Rizzler. What did I say? Brown Rizzler. Go. And as for you, you look like, I don't know his name, but I want you to be running around this compound until I'm tired. Maybe that will give me joy. Do you understand?
Yes, boss.
Just be running around. I'll be monitoring you from up there. When I say stop, you stop. Do you understand?
Yes, boss.
Start now. Run around fast.
Oburo belief in the world. If any negotiate,
Lazarus. I was planning to pay you a condolence visit, but it's nice to have you anyway. So what do you want?
The only thing better than money is...
More money.
The only thing better than money is...
More money.
Now I see what you have been enjoying all this while. Money is sweet.
Now listen to me. I can see your sister's death has turned your life around overnight. Haven't you thought about having a title? Onwumereze. Haven't you thought about that?
Now you shut up and listen real good. I swear to whatever I believe in, I will make sure you vomit every single thing you took from me in this village, including this prostitute here.
I beg your pardon, Mr. Onwumereze.
Tiger!
Yes, boss. You better count me out of that useless plan of yours, please.
The only thing better than money is...
More money.
The only thing better than money is...
More money.
The only thing better than money is...
More money.
The only thing better than money is...
More money.
The only thing better than money is... The only thing better than money is... Dollar. Let's go.
Now listen. My money is louder than a virgin thunder.
Just look at if any negotiate, Inasimemena ubyamana sindo akwanye batego nuwa onwebo byangole inasimemena ubyamana sindo akwata batego nuwa enyabana ya respect akwanye nwetego nuwa enyezi enyokenyano.
The only thing better than money is...
More money.
The only thing better than money is...
More money.
I repeat, the only thing better than money is...
More money.
Good. You diabetic old fool. So you are still alive. Good. I am back and made. I swear I will shock you. I will shock you. I will shock you. I will shock you. I swear, I will shock you. The only thing better than money is
More money.
the only thing better than money is
More money.
the only thing better than money is
More money.
let's go. The only thing better than money is
more money.
The only thing better than money is
more money.
The only thing better than money is
more money.
Nice one, boys. Nice one. Your guys should get ready. We are clubbing tonight. And we are also traveling to the city tomorrow. The whole wide world needs to know that Lazarus has finally made his dream come true. The only thing better than money is
more money.
The only thing better than money is
more money.
The only thing better than money is
more money.
My elders, as you know, Diego, I want that chieftaincy title, Ezego, King of Money, and that's final. Not even the devil can stop me. Talk more of this boy. I'm not even supposed to be dragging a title with him. We don't even know his source of income. So I want that title, and that's final.
Lazarus. Lazarus. Lazarus, how many times did I call? You are a boy and you always be a boy. Say, Baba. Listen. Remember how I cleaned you up? Eh? Oh my God, again in lazy. You're not even ashamed of yourself to battle with a person like me. Your title is supposed to be Onmereze. Lazarus dojin when Ezego is talking.
All right. My elders, let's submit our names to the Igwe.
No, my son.
We all know that Ezego means money. Ezego is still king of money.
But he has already taken it.
I want to revoke it. That's why we are talking about money.
We have to settle the contest here first before passing the names to Igwe.
My elders, like I said before, in fact, listen. The only thing better than money is
more money.
You guys can do better. The only thing better than money is
more money.
The only thing better than money is
more money.
You heard that right? So let's take the names to the Igwe. Highest bidder. Wait. That's the meaning of Ezego. I'm not here to talk. Highest bidder wins. That's what I'm talking about. Maka na onye ji ego ade egwu oge n'afia. And me meji nke ego na ji nke ego na no, what are you na boot anye fe Taiwan?
My son. If that is what you want, the auction starts with 5 million naira.
5 million naira. Yes. Okay, let's hear from him first.
Well, indeed, like you all know, you know what I'm capable of doing. I'm putting 10 million naira.
Like I said before, onye Diego Adebuga. Maybe you don't. In fact, listen. The only thing better than money is
more money.
The only thing better than money is
more money.
The only thing better than money is
more money.
In fact, in the chair, I'll give you people $20 dollars. We confuse them. 15 million naira cash.
Hey!
Mobile transfer here and now. When you go get a
Gosh. Yeah, honey. Trust me.
I trust you, baby.
I won the fight with a sum of 30 million.
Are you serious? Oh my God, you're such a darling.
You can say that again. The title is worth the money.
Of course it is. Thank you so much for making me proud as Ego one.
You're welcome, my Eze one in money. Now let me ask you something, honey. I have like 10 million naira in my account. How much do you have in yours?
I think I have about 5 million naira in my account.
Good. So very well then, I'll add it up to the one I have and then deposit the sum of 15 million naira to the Royal Council elders. Wow. And thereafter I'll wait for my container that will be landing in 6 days' time. And we'll be having like hundreds of millions again in my account. And then we're rich.
Yes, baby. Thank you so much,
we're
baby.
Rich.
I love you, baby.
We're gonna be rich.
Yeah, baby, we are rich.
Richer.
We are richer, baby.
Richest.
I love you.
Now what are you going to say to Daddy?
Kiss Daddy.
Now listen, baby. You can do better than this. We're talking about hundreds of millions. Eat me up, that's what I mean. This is not how Beyonce eats Jay-Z.
Are you serious?
That's my baby. Now listen. Let's go do the rest right there.
No money gang.
You can say it again.
No money gang.
And then I will be called what?
No money gang.
You can say it again.
No money gang.
And then I will be called what?
No money gang in the building.
You already know.
Yeah, baby.
Get your ass right here, baby.
What insult? Where does he plug money from? What is his source of income? He dared me. He humiliated me right in front of the elders. That will give those men room to insult me in the future. No, Adamu Dugwaka. No. No. I must do something to prove Erimego wrong. I must do something to prove Erimego wrong. Adamu Dugwaka. Adamu Dugwaka.
What is this? What's going on? Talk to me. Get up now. Get up from the floor. Get up. Baby, talk to me. What's going on here? What happened? You're not talking. Talk to me. I'm here. Talk to me. Talk. Baby, look at me. Just look at me. Talk to me. You're losing it. What happened? What happened? Get up. Get up. Talk to me. Talk to me. Talk to me. Talk to me. I don't know what is wrong with him. And he has been like this for like an hour. I refuse to say a word to anyone. I remember myself. What's the problem with you? Brother, talk to Mama now. Brother, Kunu now. Poor Kunu. Talk to me now. You're finished. What happened? What happened, sweetheart? Talk to me. I'm here.
My son, please, can you talk to me?
Mama, wait. Baby, look at me. I'm here. Baby, talk to me. Brother, talk to Mama now.
Please talk to me. You're finished what?
sweetheart, are you okay?
Hey, Mama Kwalara.
What is it? Are you...
Brother! What is the matter? Can you talk to me? Talk to me!
What's going on?
What is it now?
The ship.
What happened to the ship?
The ship that conveyed my container.
What happened? Then what happened?
Capsized.
Hey!
Jesus Christ!
Hey! Brother!
Baby! Our money! What are we going to do now?
Go and get the casket. Go and get the casket.
Go and get it!
Go and get the casket. Go and get the casket.
No, say that please now. Don't say that please.
Casket is the only solution. Casket is the
No,
only
you're not
solution.
dying now. You're not dying, brother. Stop now. Brother, Bikonu. Mama Wakwara, Ona Wakwara. I'm not no my son.
Mama, that's it.
I am very sorry, my son. Our tradition forbids your request. And in your own interest, I would like to advise you never to speak such abomination to the hearing of any other person.
Nine. But the chieftaincy title has not been conferred. There should be a room for a refund.
Ichie, I beg of you, please help me out on this one, please. Okay? That's why I came to you first, because I know you can help me. I don't mind giving you 10% of the 15 million naira. Please, just help me, Biko. Biko.
Oh, there's no doubt that you are a very wonderful young man. We know this. But 10% of the 15 million naira is a very great idea. But listen to me. You don't search for your lost chicken in the den of a lion. It is not done. Okay, Campbell, I am an elder. In case you don't know, what you are requesting for, you are taking a dangerous risk in accordance with our tradition. Well, if you want to know more about the consequences, proceed to the king.
You see your life, you see yourself. I warned you not to invest in this business for the first place. But you wouldn't listen to me. Just look at, I don't know, because of all these fake blinks you're still wearing that makes him believe you still have money on you. Nonsense.
It's rather unfortunate. The Igwe will not know the worth of this gold that I'm carrying now. And if you good no brother, where you good no brother? Try, very good. It's ego money. It's ego money. One. It's ego ekelenge. I greet you, my master. I greet you. One.
Why are you poor and shameless at the same time? You just called me Ezego, king of money. The same name you dragged with me. Like they always say, he who laughs last, laughs best. European bug on my foot. My boys told me you want to sell your car.
Yes, boss. Yeah. Yes.
Okay. I promised one of my girls a car. Let's see if she will like this carton.
Ezego, you just called her your sex toys. She doesn't have a choice. Hey, what you called her is just what she is.
Shut up and let her decide.
Yes, boss.
Look at your bar head. You know, you've been doing well. Do you like this car?
Lazarus. One name why? My sister.
Uh-huh. What do you mean by one nigga wine? Or one name more kangana? I don't get it. Baby, do you like this car?
Yes.
For real? Okay. Now you manage this.
Oh my God! Thank you.
Then you have the keys.
Wow.
You have to test run it first. Let's make sure.
Thank you.
So come back in 3 days for your money. European bug on my foot. And now Maga. We came back from Europe. We came back from Europe. You're gradually changing color. We can now see your true color. Look at your bar head. Money is
My money.
the only thing better than money is
My money.
European bug on my foot. Look at his bar head.
Oh my God.
You're gradually changing color. And now Maga, European.
He asked me to come back in 3 days' time for the money.
That's so nice of him.
What hurts me most is that I saw my own sister in his house. I met Nkiru there. As a matter of fact, he's buying the car from Nkiru. Right in front of me, Nkiru was kissing him like a starving bird. Oh my God, Nigeria's in it. Is it because I still got into that point?
But, honey, no. No. Nkiru that I know can't do such a thing. I trust her. She can't do it.
She blatantly disrespected me in front of Lazarus. Not even one regard at all.
Thank you.
Omaka Nigeria's Mego. Is it because I don't have money anymore?
Excuse me. Nkiru, where are you coming from? Are you deaf? So you feel you can go out there and sell yourself and return to this house at will without no respect for anybody, eh?
Nkiru, what's all this ranting for? Wait, Beatrice, has your husband's poverty started affecting your brain? Are you stupid? Are you try it! I
okay,
love
you don't
this.
have to do
Try
that.
it! Hey, have you called one more? Try it! Who do you think you are? Eh? You people should fight me. Let your wife fight me.
It's okay.
Is it my fault that you guys are broke? Go and
It's okay.
this one is just a small thing. I never see anything. Poverty. Okay, rich you now. Forever. This is my private part. It's not your people's business. Nonsense. Let me give the people that want to give to. Mama, me. Try it.
It's okay.
Stop calling your wife. Let her try it.
See, whatever you do now will prevent Lazarus from giving us the money. Hey! Ozugo, it's okay. It's okay. Listen to me. We need the money now. At this point in time in our life, we don't need no fights. Please, we need this money to sustain ourselves. Do you understand me? Come. Can we take the go and first?
Because of the money.
It's okay.
It's because of the money. I'm leaving that girl.
Because of the money, please. Okay. Hi. Ijo. Mwa be ri me ego wa.
Chinedu.
Eze go money. Eze go money. Agree to my master.
I told you to come with your wife for the money. Where is she?
Ezego, I was supposed to come with her, but she left home early this morning, sir.
She left because you are not determined enough.
I'm a born hustler. It's not like that.
If you are a hustler, you should be here before your wife.
Hi, baby.
Money.
You see? Women are like season. They come and go.
I love you, baby.
Are you sick? Stop. Stand up. Stand up! Are you sick? You're nothing but a cheap prostitute. All you do is jump from one man to another. You follow money. And you open your mouth to say you love me. Do you know the meaning of love? Now, both of you. Now you both should get out of my house and never return.
Baby. Baby, please.
See what you call show. Money. See what you call show. Money.
The greatest queen mother of our time. What's up with this sexy visit?
It is time.
Oh yes, I know. Time to spend my money, right?
I warned you. The 21 days has expired.
But I killed my sister. My own blood.
You murdered her. You never sacrificed her.
What is the difference between murdering her and sacrificing her? You should have told me you wanted the cops.
Money.
Finish.
See what you call show. Money. money, money. See what you call show money. Between the devil and the blue sea, I am stuck with a decision to make. Oh no, time is running out of me. Oh God, the lost, come get me.